Look, baby has a stroller. Can you push baby? How fun is that? Is that fun? Now you can push the stroller just like mommy does. Do you want to come up in the kitchen? Look at you. Maybe can you say bye-bye? Say bye. Bye. Say thanks, Grammy. Can you say thanks, Grammy?